Hi, my name's Steve Hanlon and I'm going to show you the easiest way to add Google Tag Manager to your WordPress website. Here we've got a standard website. It's a standard WordPress 2024 installation. You'll see there's nothing much in it. You've just got the sample page. So this is what you get out the box with WordPress. If we go to the dashboard, you'll see that we've just got standard install with no plugins at the moment. This would work though if you've got other plugins on your website and you're not yet configured to use Tag Manager. We've also got a Tag Manager container configured, and in here we've set up our GA4 tag and we're sending a page view as well. So this is a very simple setup within Tag Manager as well. So how do we go about doing it? Well, there's a lot of plugins that you can use for adding Tag Manager. So if we go to our plugins, we add a new one, and if we were just to search for Tag Manager, you'll see that there's a load of plugins that come back, and a lot of these do things over and above just putting the code to get Tag Manager in there. But there is one down here, if you scroll down, and you'll find one by George Stephanis, and it's just called Google Tag Manager. Let's just install it and activate it. Here we are, and if we go into settings, into our general settings and scroll down, we'll see that we've now got a prompt for our Tag Manager ID. But back into our Tag Manager, take our tag ID, and we're going to copy this and pop it back into our Tag Manager ID box here. Let's pop that in and save the changes, and that's it. That's all you need to do. We can test it by going into Tag Manager, and we can use the preview. So let's click on preview, and then this is going to connect to the website and launch it, and we'll be able to see in here what's happening. And we can see that our tag is fired and we've run our page view. It's also showing us as well that it's detected the Google Analytics tag and that that's fired as well. So we can see refreshing our page and navigating around is now being picked up within Tag Manager. And that's it. I think this is the easiest way to install Tag Manager on a WordPress website. So thanks for watching. You'll find lots of other videos on our channel. We've made them to help you with your digital marketing and your websites. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on another video soon.